Deep beneath the leaves of a quiet forest, hidden from sight, a tiny creature lives a life of constant urgency. You will probably never notice it. It moves too fast, too quietly, too unpredictably. But its story is one of the most intense survival struggles in the natural world. This is the life of the shrew. At first glance, a shrew might look like a mouse. It is small with soft fur, tiny legs, and a long pointed snout. But this similarity is misleading. Shrews are not rodents. They belong to a different group of mammals, insectivores, specialized hunters of small prey. And despite their size, they're among the most extreme animals on Earth. The reason lies in their metabolism. A shrew's heart can beat up to 1,000 times per minute. Its body burns energy so rapidly that it lives on the very edge of starvation. To stay alive, a shrew must eat almost constantly. In a single day, it can consume more than its own body weight in food. If it goes without eating for just a few hours, it may die. This means one thing: a shrew's life is not about rest. It is about survival, every second. The shrew does not rely on vision. Its eyes are small and weak, offering only a blurred sense of light and shadow. Instead, it experiences the world through smell, touch, and sound. Its long snout is always in motion, sniffing, probing, analyzing every inch of its surroundings. Its whiskers detect the slightest vibrations. Some species even use a primitive form of echolocation, producing tiny sounds and interpreting the echoes to navigate through darkness. To us, the forest floor may seem still, but to a shrew it is alive with signals. Every movement of an insect, every shift in the soil, every hidden opportunity. A shrew is constantly hunting. It feeds on insects, worms, spiders, and other small creatures. Sometimes it will even attack animals nearly its own size. Its strategy is simple: move fast, search constantly, attack without hesitation. Some shrews possess something incredibly rare among mammals: venom. Their saliva contains toxic compounds that can paralyze prey. This allows them to do something remarkable: store living, immobilized prey for later consumption. In a world where starvation is always near, this ability can mean the difference between life and death. Everything about a shrew is extreme. Its heart races, its breathing is rapid, its movements are quick and unpredictable. It rarely stops moving. Even when it rests, it does so briefly, never fully safe, never fully relaxed. There is no time to waste, because time is something the shrew does not have much of. Most shrews live only 1 to 2 years. In that short span, they must grow, hunt, survive, reproduce, and avoid countless dangers. They live fast and they die young. Perhaps one of the most fascinating features of the shrew is its ability to physically transform. As winter approaches, food becomes scarce. To survive, the shrew does something almost unbelievable. Its body begins to shrink. Its organs, including its brain, reduce in size. Even its skull can become smaller. This process, known as Denel's phenomenon, allows the shrew to lower its energy needs during the harsh months. Then, when spring returns and food becomes abundant again, its body regrows. It is one of the most dramatic seasonal transformations found in any mammal. Despite their short lives, shrews reproduce quickly. In warmer seasons, a female may give birth to several litters. The young grow rapidly, becoming independent in just a few weeks. There's even a unique behavior observed in some species. Young shrews form what is called a caravan. Each one holds on to the tail of the one in front, forming a moving chain led by the mother. This helps them stay together while traveling through the complex terrain of their world. It's a rare and fascinating sight, a line of tiny creatures moving as one. Life for a shrew is full of threats. Owls hunt them from above. Foxes and snakes stalk them from the ground. Even larger animals may see them as prey. They have few defenses. Some produce a strong, musky odor that makes them less appealing to predators. But often, their survival depends on speed, stealth, and constant motion. One mistake, one moment of hesitation can be fatal. Despite their size, shrews play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They control populations of insects and other small invertebrates. They help maintain balance in the delicate web of life on the forest floor. And they themselves serve as food for larger animals. They are both predator and prey, a small but vital part of a much larger system. The life of a shrew is not peaceful. It is not slow. It is not forgiving. It is a life lived at the limits of biology, where every second matters and every movement is a choice between survival and death. In its tiny body, the shrew carries a powerful lesson. Life is not measured in size or in time, but in intensity and in the endless drive to survive.